Gaswei G1pro Professional Walkie-Talkie is an excellent communication tool with outstanding durability and powerful functions. IP67 dustproof and waterproof rating. Its robust case is made of advanced ABS and PC and TP materials, and the holster is metal, which can withstand a 2-meter fall, providing excellent durability. The Vox voice control function can free up your hands, allowing you to talk without holding the PTT button, making it more convenient and practical to use. In addition, the Gaswei G1pro walkie-talkie also has adjustable high and low power options, allowing you to choose the appropriate power according to different scenarios. With 22 channels and 99 privacy codes, the system provides up to 2,178 combinations, ensuring that you can communicate more privately. The maximum power of Gaswei G1pro can reach 2 watts, allowing communication within 20 floors of a building. Ideally, it can cover a maximum range of 36 miles in open areas, providing you with a wide communication range. The walkie-talkie is also equipped with a headset interface, allowing you to connect a headset for more private and clear communication. The charging interface uses a globally standard Type-C interface, making it more convenient to recharge the battery. Additionally, the charging dock can charge 2 walkie-talkies simultaneously, saving time and increasing charging speed. In summary, the Gaswei G1pro Professional walkie-talkie is the best choice for professionals for communication. It is durable, powerful, has a wide coverage range, and the charging process is fast and convenient. It is your ideal choice.